load. You understand? So let me quickly enter am sharp so that una go fit dey see wetin I dey do.
Incoming mail.
E don enter. Yeah, shebi una see say that market actually do another pullback now. I for don enter, but I don't know whether na my network dey disturb me. I'm trying to figure out why our YouTube is not working as it's supposed to. The YouTube, I'm live, but we are not seeing the visibility there at all, at all. Just be like say we know they live. It's not funny. It's not funny. So let's check now. So let me quickly do editing of this particular interface so that it go dey clear. Then I go fit the know wetin I dey do per time. I'll come here. I'll click on colors. Come here. I'll do color on white. I'll do color on white. Then I will now change it to my preference colors, which is the bar up. I don't like this. I'll put it here. That is a teal. Then the bar down is supposed to be black. Then the bull candle is still going to be that teal. Then the bear candle from red is going to be black. Exactly. Then we are going to remove the real volumes unchecked, tick volumes unchecked. Then put the ask price and the last price to show. Then from the common candlesticks, okay, candlesticks, shift. The shift candle, the shift should show on the chart. Chart on foreground also. Then once you come here, you say okay. Then we are going to save it ASAP as a template. I'm going to save it as template. Save. Save. Then I can now delete every other stuff here. Then in case we are trading gold, the reason for this now is very, very simple. So if tomorrow we come live and I said we want to trade gold and I want to trade it with this same account that is logged in this particular MT5, I will not need to go and be changing those colors. The only thing that I will do is just to come here, drag my gold chart to the screen. You automatically change to this. As you can see, this is good now. Understand? So because we are doing BTC, what I will do now, I will just drag my BTC chart to the screen and I will release it. Yeah. See the BTC. So you can see the trade that we are currently in on BTC. See where we enter the buy trade for BTC. Never to till this evening. So I said I would have executed another buy when the market did this particular pullback. This was a very sweet pullback for me. I would have executed another buy trade. But let's just say we've missed out. Let me break this into trade. We are just in one trade, only one trade now with the one trade with 0.01. So now, if you want to join the trade or you want to look for a perfect another execution, or another area to execute the trade, where is the best place where you go wait for where the market pull back to. Remember, say we know just the jump better market now. So it is normal for you to miss entries. It is normal as day traders. But by the time you start fighting the market to enter because you don't want to miss out, because you feel that you don't want the market to leave you and go, you now jump inside. Then you are no longer a forex trader. Rather, you are just someone that is being moved by emotion, that by what the market is doing. You understand? You are being controlled by the market, and it is not advisable to always allow the market to control you. Guys, if we are together, let's drop a comment below. Let me see the people that are active so that I go know who and who when I dey talk to. All right, the people on TikTok, I see you. Let's double tap now. We have amazing people on TikTok. Please let's double tap on our screen. Now we have 9 persons watching us now currently on YouTube. If you are joining from YouTube, please click on the like button. Click on the like button. Let's just motivate the live stream. Click on the like button. Share the live. If you've not subscribed to this channel, click on that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so whenever we go live, you will always be notified to join our live video section. The people on YouTube, click on the like button. You know they are. Once you open your YouTube, if you are watching us like this on YouTube now, if you are watching us like this, as you can see here, below, if you open the live stream like this, you see that we have 11 people watching, but we only have 1 person that have clicked on the like, and that person itself is me. It's me that liked it myself. Now, if you are watching like this, you will see the like button below here. You will see this thumbs up button here. Just click on the thumbs up button. You know they take anything from you. Understand? You know they take anything come off for your body. Please, let's encourage the live stream. Let's encourage the live. Let's encourage the live, guys. Let's encourage the channel. Let's work together. All right, the people on TikTok are active. But why I know they see the comment from here, that is another challenge that I'm having now on. Let me ask the question. Can you guys hear me? Somebody said your sound is bad. You know they hear me. Is it that you guys cannot hear me or I don't understand? Because me, I'm trying to know what is happening. Why? Now somebody asked from TikTok if he or she should join the trade from there. You see, if you go to my MT5 now, this thing that you are seeing here is not a trade, though. This is a pending order. Pending orders, meaning I'm currently anticipating BTC now to pull back again to test this particular resistance that was violated. They take all of this order now and continue the buy. So the trade that I'm in currently is still this particular trade, the one that I executed from below. You can see it here. The trade when I did currently now this one, 9-day active. You understand? So this one is pending order. I'm only expecting BTC to pull back to that same zone on 30 minutes. Oh, hey, let me show you where I'm anticipating the pullback to happen. If you open your 30 minutes time frame, you will see that on 30 minutes time frame, according to market structure, the market has broken above. Let me open my. If you open your 30 minutes chart now, on your 30 minutes chart, you will see that BTCUSD just broke. Oh, even the pullback, the market might even get to where we executed the first one from. Let me take that trade. I will explain something now, very, very important. Guys, don't place that pending on that. I've taken that profit first. Let me show you guys something. What I just see now. If you open your 30 minutes time frame, quickly mark your fully edge trend like this. Now the market don't come outside. Now I know say this thing, for those of you that they follow us now, you know say this thing is really day, but it really day strong. Well. Market they always respect them back to back. Like make it pull back to this place where if you come outside from the trend, they continue the buy. That is around 72,700. You understand? So once the market gets to this particular place right here, we can take another sweet buy on 30 minutes according to 30 minutes time frame. So if you look it from my broker, from my MT5 here, if you sell from here, now still the same place. Let me draw the trend line.
Allah says, if you are grateful, I will surely.
Yes, I'm still waiting. No, me una forget, me una remember say by 9 p.m. today we have class here at Jane Forest Academy. So I might not be live by what is 9 o'clock. So I wanted us to do a quick top-down analysis of why we should be buying BTC USD. But we've been here, we've had up to 28 persons watching us on YouTube, but we only still have 3 likes. Make una dey support live stream. Right? We give values now. Sometimes you guys should always show some level of encouragement. No day easy. Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Hi, coach.
Yeah, good evening. Can you hear me?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Can you hear me?
Speak. Show you, John.
I know they hear you.
To what dare you?
I know they hear you. They break, they break, they break. Your transmission, they break. Hello? Yeah, I can hear you now. All right. Mm. Okay. No, no, it's different. Two different things with that because that our physical is going to be an on hand experience, which means when you come to our physical office, if you have a live account, we are going to be doing it together. That is what makes it physical mentorship. We are always together in class, trading together, trading that particular live account together. It's different from online. Mm. You can Yes, yes. Even if the person doesn't have any experience in forex trading at all, so long you are in our yes, well, because we are always together, and because we don't trade, we don't teach with a demo account. As we are trading and teaching you, you get to be taking our trade live from the class. And even if you don't have any knowledge, we are the one to guide. Sometimes I will help you execute the trade from your desk. So that is the difference. No, no, that is not. Let me tell you what to do. We had a student. This one I just went back last week. He always come from Owerri. You understand? This guy always come from Owerri. He went back last week for his dad burial, and he will still be coming back again, like he said, after his dad burial, which is ending of June. Now he joined us since last year. We've had a lot of students outside Lagos State, including a lady that came all the way from Bauchi State. She's a lecturer too. So what you will need to understand is how can you plan ahead? You understand? You just need to get the information of how you can always plan ahead. Remember, all our mentorship are lifetime access. You understand? All our mentorship are is not something that was to join us after 2 or 3 months. Then somebody will now be telling you that you need to renew your subscription. No, that is not how it works. So long you're a member of the GM Forex Physical Academy, anytime at all you feel like you want to come, maybe you have something very, very important, or you want to join whenever we are doing a challenge, for instance, and you want to participate in that challenge physically with us, you can always spare like 3 days or 4 days to come down to Lagos. You lodge very close to the office. We had there's an hotel very close to our office at the condo. Then you attend the classes, you can go back. Then anytime at all, even after 6 months, you feel like you still want to come down to our office. So long you're a student, you're always a student forever. So that is a community that we have building that you can always work in. So long you're a member of the academy, then we can always work together and do some stuff together. So it doesn't need to be that you will now be stressing yourself just to gather everything for 3 months. No, 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 no. You can just be doing it little by little. What you will do now is to upgrade it to, you've already joined our online mentorship, right? Yes, now it's just to complete it to become our physical mentorship. Then you can start coming anytime you want. You don't need to pay extra for the physical. Like you need to just balance up with what you paid for the online. Mm. Yes, now that is the major reason. Yes, yes. Okay. Try. Mm, mhm. Definitely. Okay. Mm, definitely. Let me just quickly give you one solution to something that you refer to now. How can you know when to take your profit? See, you've joined us for going to a month now, right? You'll be following me online, going to a month, going to a few weeks now, like a week plus. See, I need you to understand something here. Eh? Forex is not like what we always think of online. Like what I'm trying to say is that it not be like what you they always think say in B, especially when you they watch traders online. You understand? Forex is a business, and you said something that you are a businessman already. Do you know if actually you are a businessman, I believe that your business, you have principles in doing that business. You already have a principle of that business that is giving you one or two profit that you always use to pay your children's school fees. I believe you already have that. Now, when you come to the forex industry, it's going to be easier for you to be consistent in profit because you're already a businessman. All you need to do is to apply the business principle. See, me personally, I'm also a businessman. So look at one of my principles here. You see, forex is a business for me. I don't trade like the word forex trading or the way people see it online. I trade it as a business so that at the end of the month, what was I able to bring out from my trading from this particular account? Now, if I should bring in $300, for instance, I said I want to start my forex career in 2026, and I only have $300, and I deposited that $300 today as a pure beginner trader. So long I have a mentor that will be guiding me, the first thing that that person is supposed to do is to take that particular $300 as his employer, as his business, as that is office, as that is shop, where he will get to pay himself or herself at the end of the month. So when you have that orientation, you will not be after those massive profits because you know one thing. you will always blow an account where you want to make more. And that is one bad side of the forex market. See, this market is very, very simple. Now, we traders, now we the make and get more complicated to us, especially when you don't make small money. So you want to make more money, join that money that you've made already. Then you will see that in no time, one small mistake now will call blow everything where you do already make. Meanwhile, maybe you keep that one where you make to continue the next day and you repeat that same setup consistently for 1 month, you will be able to pay yourself 3 million naira, 4 million naira from that $300 account. Now, what many people never still understand with that. And that is why we are here. Because now, listen, you cannot leave Osun State and come to Lagos for 4 days. Because see, our office no dey open on Friday. So that may you know now, we know they open on Friday, sir. We only open Monday to Thursday. Now, if you leave Osun State to Lagos State and you plan to first of all do 4 days with us before you come make another preparation, or you want to be doing it maybe sometimes during your children's holidays, during school holidays, I have children also, you understand? Now, what you need to understand, what you need to plan ahead for now, first of all, I will be dedicating an account that I want to be using as a full-time trading. Full-time trading is not as scalping. Now, two different things. And like I said the other time, if you are scalping, for instance, you cannot be scalping and assuming you are doing day trading. And you cannot be day trading like as if you are doing scalping. So what you will be doing, I will hand over to you the blueprint that I use personally, which is the trading plan. Let me explain that particular trading plan in a layman's language. The trading plan is, even if you started trading with $100 account, there's an amount that you are willing to let go, but in a single trade. But you also need to understand, because you have that $100, that particular principle of the amount that you are willing to let go every day does not work on every pair. For instance, if you are trading Euro USD, and I tell you, say, if you are trading $100 account, that you should not risk more than 10%, which is $10 every day. Now, if you carry them come gold, it not go work like that. Oh. It not go work like that. Just that I will need to take my time to explain it to you in details for you to be able to understand this. Because see, now that major mistake where we still they make from the foundation, now they cost you losing your money little by little. Because of say, you know what, use better stop loss, you will now be closing to $2 losses on gold until your money finish. Meanwhile, I am telling you that if you are trading gold and you do your daily top-down analysis as a day trader, you can, on your $10 on your $100 account, you can conveniently take the simple trade and risk maybe $50 to $70 to $18 on that particular trade. Now, if that trade should go in your way, except you are not a professional trader. If you're a professional trader, definitely you don't trade with us now, especially online. You don't see how we take the trade. We don't trade with assumption. We trade with pure understanding. So we they see something before we execute the trade. If we no see them, we no see. You understand? So you will always learn to wait patiently for such time as a day trading on your day trading account. Then when you see such setup, execute the trade, pull your SL and have your target. Now, as time goes on, even when the market is moving in your direction, so waiting I will call let you know now on how to take profit is this. Even when the market is going in your direction, let's say for instance we are buying gold, and gold is currently buying as analyzed, you will be at case is whenever you execute a trade and you are buying, for instance, and the market that started moving in your direction, apply that simple proper risk management, or do your break even. Once the market keep going in your direction, do what is called trailing profit. I don't tell you about that trailing profit before. Now, when you see clearly that the market has the kind of momentum to reverse against you, why would you allow the market to take the profit that it has already given you? Take the profit and wait for a sweet another opportunity, just like we are doing. I am currently trading BTC live now. We are live on YouTube. I am trading BTC. Now, the BTC that I'm trading now is something I do. If you should ask me how much am I trading with this BTC, because I'm using to teach one student. Someone joined us yesterday, so I told him that I will not want, because he's a student and I only want him to learn more account. So I told him that I want him to deposit the $10 first. Then $10 is going to split it into 10 different accounts, which is $1. So we are going to be trading it on a cent account. or $1. Now we started it yesterday, so today be the second, because I just want him to be familiar with the live account and the emotion attached to trading. That, so I will not have advised him to use demo. So instead, based on saying no get money, it is better you use a cent account. You understand? So now it started, he just split them to 10 different places, $1 to 10 different places. Now, as they trade, before the $1, you know, say $1 now 100 cents. Before that 100 cent go blow, he go don gather one or two information. Then he go continue this. If he finally blow, he go put the other $1, which is 100 cents. He go do them again. Before he do, he repeat this same strategy 10 times. You go don get the information that is needed to be consistent in profit, if you actually know what you are doing. So that is the secret that I'm applying for him now. He joined us yesterday and he's actually getting it right, because God is helping us. You know, we always take God first. Understand? Yes, physically. Yeah. Mm. All right. No problem. No shipping. No problem. Definitely. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yes, sir. Yes. Saturday or Sunday. 9 p.m. No, 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 no. People that are there are over 100 now. Some places where they don't have time. Uh, no, not on YouTube. I'm talking about that Telegram community. Uh, just that many people that are there. If you observe, not be everybody in Nigeria for that. So many people, according to their time zone, they will always take their time to go through the class again. No, 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 no. It's not. It's not a free class. It's not a free class. But wait, oh, wait. Did you send money to the person? Uh-uh. Sam, can you send me the screenshot? How now? What happened? What now happened after you send the money? Mm, mm. No, now. Mm. It will not work now. What will work? What is the meaning of you don't know if it will actually work? It can never work now. What is that how to trade? Is that trading? That is not even copy trading. Copy trading, you can copy someone's trade with as little as $20. Even if it's bot trading. Uh-uh. It can never work now. You see the scope that the person says. He say when you told the person said you should send the $200. Then in that, after you send the $200, the person now came back to tell you that you see that it cannot work. It cannot copy that. The minimum is 1,500. That is still to push you to go and bring more money now. Uh-uh. Please, can you send me screenshot? Can you send me screenshot of all of this? Please, please, please. I will need them. I'm already see. You are not the only person that is telling me this stuff. Oh. You know, last year we had the same issue when somebody cloned our Telegram. Mm, mm, mm. No. Hi. Please do. Please, please. I'm waiting. Just share with me. Let me know what to do. Apart from reporting it, there's a way we are already tracking it. I will send you some of my information too on how we have been trying to get those people down. We've got it, three of them. Just send me what you've got. Just send me those evidences. Just send those screenshots. All right. God bless you. All right. can you just fall for something like this? Guys, please, you guys should be careful. If you ever go to my Telegram community, you will see this particular, see all of this thing here. I am not responsible. You can see the global set, but the people are actually using the first one here is GN Forex Up with 170 subscribers. No big new. See the one that just collected somebody $200 now. This particular one, GN Forex underscore Academy. This particular person, he uses our brand logo to create a group, and he just collected $200 from somebody, that person that you hear us talking about. And why the thing now they pay me, be say most of those people was arrested last year because one of my students, they were actually part of my community, clone this particular group. That is why I stopped Rexport. That is why we stopped using this particular group to teach anything about Forex. There was a place that we were using to teach Forex for free on this particular group with 616 subscribers. Yeah, I used to teach Forex for free on this particular platform. So the guy actually cloned it. I don't know how they did it. They cloned exactly how this thing works. So if you're a member of this community, they can have access to you. They will be chatting you until they will convince you to join their private section where they will be taking money from you. They've collected $200 from this person, and they are telling him that the minimum is 1,500, and the person wanted to go and be bringing more money. What? For what? For what? He said for boss trading. See, sometimes you just need to understand. So all some of those people, they are too cheap. All those lies are just too cheap to believe. Whenever we come up here to trade, I will not even give you signal without explaining why we are doing what we are doing. You're not supposed to understand the kind of person when I do. You're not supposed to understand the kind of trading when I trade. I know they do all those things when they do online. Me, as my power they reach now, so I they do my own. If I have opportunity to make $100, I make it. That is mine. You understand? If I have opportunity to make $1,000, I will make it from the market. That is mine legitimately. You understand? So even if you are coming, I don't have a bot that I am selling, and I don't have a bot that you can invest in anywhere, any day, anytime. You understand? If there is anything like that, I for suppose all they talk I'm here, especially on our live stream, on our live 3D section. Please, I beg, because why this to the pepper my body now? Somebody actually still reach out to us. Like it was this week now. Then we started doing the research. Then we were able to gather some of the people that are actually behind this, and I started reaching out to them. I reached out to this one. This is one of the person that is scamming somebody now. This guy, this Abdul Malik, is a scammer. Guys, beware of him. And this guy, Light Forex, is a scammer. Beware of him. And this guy here, Patrick Cole, is a scammer. Beware of him. We're already trying to track this guy down, which we are still on. He read our messages, but he refused to respond because he knows what he's doing. So I will advise you all to stay wise. Don't let anybody fool you as a way of investing, or as a way of buying a bot, or as a way of buying signals. Then at the end of the day, you will not get what you paid for. Not be so until they do our thing here. I pray that God will give us understanding, because I don't understand the way I go just carry money, send go give people like that. If not like that, it dey easy. How far? Why the person never buy the whole world? Because somebody is telling you to invest 1.5 that in 3 days I'm going to get 18,900. Maybe the message when I see there now. Person is telling you to invest 1.5, then in 3 days your money will now be 18,005. How now? How? How? Like just tell me how. For your information, me, I know they refund. Oh, if they scam anybody, I know they give anybody 1 naira. Oh. No be me go suffer, go give you my money. Say wait there. Guys, if you are joining us from YouTube, we have amazing people watching us live right now on YouTube. Please let's click on the like button. Let's double tap. Let's click on the like button. Then subscribe to the channel if you've not done so, so that we can do this particular analysis. Let's just forget all of those talk. Let's recap. Let's recap BTCUSD so that now we know why we do it. There are the people on TikTok. Please, let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. So I will be deleting everything on my screen now. I'll be deleting everything. The first thing that we need to understand is when it comes to trading, be it BTC USD, be it gold, be it anything at all that you want to trade, be it Dangote salt, Dangote sugar, if you want to trade it from your chart, the first thing that you need to understand is to understand the long-term direction of that particular stuff, of that particular stock, or of that particular pair. The long-term direction. What I mean by long-term direction is the original trend. Remember, in the trading market, we only have two trends, which is the uptrend and the downtrend. So it's either the market is currently in an uptrend or the market is on a downtrend. If the market is an uptrend market, it means that buyers are the ones in charge. If the market is a downtrend market, it means that sellers are the ones in charge. And in an uptrend market, the only thing that is expected of you as a trader is to look for buy opportunity. Guys, I will be disconnecting the mic so that I can plug this phone. Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys still hear me from YouTube? Can you guys still hear me? Can you guys still hear me? The people on YouTube, can you guys still all right? Because I just disconnected the microphone and because I don't want the phone to off so that we can stay longer on this live stream. So now I need you guys to understand something here. Once you come to the chart, the first thing that you need to do is to understand the original direction of whatever pair that you want to trade or whatever pair that you are trading. So in this case, we want to trade BTC USD here this night, this evening. So the first thing where you go do, which you are supposed to do as a trader, is in your private section, try to understand the overall people that are in charge, where the market they go and where the market they go. So now be the strength of the market. Now there the market go they move faster if they go on. You understand? For instance, if the market now uptrend, it means say buyers are in charge, and you where they come the market, the best thing to do is to look for how to join the buy trend, how to join the buyers to keep buying. You understand? I have not shown you guys the fundamentals of BTC USD since this year. I'm not sure, so I don't give that information on YouTube here. Maybe if God help us, by tomorrow I will be sharing with you how to do your fundamental analysis on crypto. The same way we've been doing our fundamental analysis on XAUSD and Euro USD and all of that. I will show you how to do your fundamentals analysis when trading BTC USD. Very, very important that you know that. So now, where are we starting analyzing the market from? We are going to start analyzing this chart from the monthly time frame, because we just entered the month of April. You need to understand what the higher time frame is doing, so that you know go forget yourself. You know go they assume. You don't go they assume say the buy go soon start to the sell or the sell go soon start to the buy. At the end of the day, the market will go bite you based on say you know carefully look out for what the market they do. Now on our monthly time frame on BTC USD, the market be there uptrend. Guys, if you are joining us, you are welcome. Please let's support the live stream. We have 41 amazing people, 48 amazing people watching over on YouTube. Please click on the like button. Click on that like button. That is that top sort button below, so YouTube can recommend this live stream. And the people on TikTok, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's encourage the live stream. Let's share the live, guys. We have 16 amazing people on YouTube. Please encourage the live on YouTube, on TikTok. The people on TikTok, please encourage the live. The people on YouTube, please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also click on the like on the bell icon beside the subscription button. So whenever we go live like this, you will always be notified to join our live stream. So now, on monthly time frame, BTC USD be day uptrend. Shebi, it is show now. It is clear. It is very, very clear. See, I'm here. This is a clear bullish trend, meaning buyers were in charge. But it gets what you need to also know. And if you're a member of this community, either physical or online, you understand that JM Forex Academy will trade with a particular strategy called price action. And what is price action? For the purpose of this explanation this night, price action is understanding the candlesticks information. Those are candlesticks. Price action strategy is understanding the candlesticks information. That means behind those candlesticks there are information, and it is your responsibility as a price action to learn and master and know the information of those candlesticks. Now, you need to understand that those candlesticks now be the prices now those candlesticks now be the previous price. As the market they go up, you go to see green candle they follow am. If it start to dey go down, you go to see red candle they follow am. You understand? So now, as a price action trader, you have to read all of those information of those candlesticks. That means behind those candlesticks, there are information of either buyers are in charge or information of sellers are in charge. Now, if you want to read those candlesticks, hmm, if you want to learn how to analyze the chart, the next thing that you need to do is to learn what is called market structure. I might actually accept, if it's the challenge, I will actually accept it. Not me or something like that. They say talk too much, bro. Let's fight live trading. Who makes the most profit? Definitely, I'm actually open to such fight, because me, I'm a very, very rugged scalper. I'm actually open to such fight. So you can send us direct message on WhatsApp or on TikTok, anywhere, so we can fix that particular live fight that you need. I'm very, very much interested. Let me drop my number on the screen. Let me drop it here. I'm interested. Let me drop it. In case you are not watching us, in case you are not typing from Nigeria, this is my code number: 349030211559. Guys, send message on WhatsApp. Then let's plan it. Then do it. You understand? Me, I'm a very rugged scalper, and let me wear this stuff. Are you seeing that? Yeah. Take it. Let's do it. I'm interested. So now, the next thing that you need to learn, you that is following up with this particular stuff now, is to know how to read the information of the price action that I just mentioned. So for you to be able to read the information behind the candlesticks, you need to learn the language of the market, and it is called market structure. It is called market structure. So now, what then is market structure? Market structure is the traditional movement of prices, the traditional way that the market used to move, which is, if the market dey uptrend, for instance, the market supposed to do something like this, it go buy, it go sell, and they do all of those things because of the beginners wey just dey join this live stream for the first time. You understand? Because almost every day we dey explain all of these things, which is no really matter. You understand? So now, if you know say na like this market dey move, if you open your chart now, the monthly time frame, you can see say BTCUSD, it all break out from trend line. This was a clear uptrend respecting market structure, which is this thing when I just draw here. Market be the respect market structure, breaking above here to form a new resistance, pull back, continue the buy, breaking this resistance to form a new resistance, pull back, continue the buy, breaking this resistance to form a new resistance. Then all of a sudden you can see say it can break out from the resistance, it can break out from the trend line. Sorry. So now, listen, if as a day trader, as a price action trader, who understand market structure, now that the market has broken out from the trend line, what are you anticipating the market to do next? If you know, you can drop it in the comment section. I'm waiting for that guy's message. Let me see. If he got the balls. Una suppose know me now. We where they use $20 knock 1K. We know they do them all for you. So I will also need to checkmate the kind of person that you are, and I will also go through your page to check if you are actually the kind of person that we should run a challenge with. You understand? We know they do fake life here. If you know day, no day. If you day. Definitely now we keep everybody updated. You understand? We know they do fake life here. If you know day, no day. If you day. So if you be say with the run challenge,
we are going to know if na 1k we want to run am o, if na 2k we want to run am o, if na $100 we want to run am, and if na $10 na there na be my own ogbonge strength, because me we dey use $20 take make any amount na suppose don know am for here. You understand? Back to back, no be something wey be say, and na gold na me I dey trade. I no dey follow una do all those USD JPY yeye pair wey be say dem dey slow. If you are not a gold trader, no dey. But if you are game, I will be very very happy to do that challenge with you, because even this month of April we have our 5 days trading marathon. I'm a beginner, the bright, you are welcome. Somebody said wait for the break of structure. Which break of structure again? Let me show you something. Make I show you something for here. Market just break out from a trend line. According to market structure, wetin we go dey look for now, make the market pull back, test the same trend, this same analysis, or this same setup, this same kind of setup we trade out well last 2 weeks, and even that last week, which is on 4 hours we see gold break out from such pullback, from such a short-term trend, then e pull back to that same trend that was broken, then e continue the buy. Then another time e repeat the same setup, another time e repeat the same setup. So even BTC so too now the same thing now they always do. Understand? So the market is actually reversing from uptrend to downtrend. There is no cap about that. We have a reversal pattern here. What is a reversal pattern? Remember what I told you now. I said if you are a price action trader, it is your responsibility to learn the language of the market makers, because price action strategy means understanding the candlesticks information. Then I went ahead to say that behind every candlestick there is an information. There is an information embedded behind every structure. So if you observe, when the market was actually bullish, that's where the market be day uptrend, because right now we have a clear reversal pattern here called a double top. A double top is a reversal pattern that takes price from uptrend to downtrend. You understand? But it is still called a reversal pattern because the market has not broken the major support zone, which happens to be here. You see that the market started buying the moment it tested that particular major support zone. This is the first rejection now. But after this pullback, if market continues selling and break below here on this monthly time frame, that is a clear established bearish trend on BTC, and the market might come down all the way to this place right here, to this major support zone or to this other support, because once market break this support, there is no structure here to hold it until it gets to this other support, which is around 21,000 to 90,000. But for now, they are currently rejecting it now. So this particular rejection, according to market structure that we are buying, is now the question when they ask, where you they anticipate this buy make it reach before the continuation of the sale? Let me point out something very very important to you. When the market break out after this particular double top, the market break out from a trend line from here. That is around 105k. So currently, technically, mark the word technically, I'm anticipating BTC to test that same zone where it break out from, then continue the bearish move. Then if the bears, if the sellers are so much in charge, it should be able to break below this major support zone to establish the sell, which is the downtrend. But now, remember, this is higher time frame. Now, a pullback on the higher time frame is going to be a clear trend on the lower time frame. That one, so now be the T where we take they do our normal day trade, which is, you know, say monthly time frame now pullback now they do. That person never sent me that message. I still they refresh my WhatsApp. I've not seen the message from that guy. Are you still here? I've not received any message from that nigga. Is that guy still here? There's a guy that said he wants us to fight online by trading live. Let's see who makes the most profit. So that was the reason why I dropped my WhatsApp number here for him to reach out, so we can know how we can go about that challenge. because I said challenge accepted, but for some minutes now I've been waiting for the message, but I never see. No even they see break light of that message. No, no, there's nothing to be scared of now. There's nothing to be scared of. Now, if you're a trader, you at least should be, you should have confidence in your trading skill. If you're a trader, it's something very very simple. Now we come online on the same live chat where people are watching. Then we start executing live trades. You understand? Then we compare the trades and we compare the profit made, because we're going to be starting the challenge with a simple and the same account size. Understand? Abi because I say we know they do them on, I make a call run. I no go fit waste my time to trade. The call go be like say I no go fit withdraw it at the trade now. Instead when I go do like that, I will rather trade $20 to $1,000. If anybody did the live stream now where won't take that challenge, you are still here, you can take it. If anybody here ready to take up the challenge, you fit drop am below. I go send you message, maybe we set am up. And what will be the challenge now? I'm challenging people here. We can actually run a $20 challenge. Okay, make it no be say based on say we don dey do am before. We can actually run a $10 challenge, $10 to $1,000 in 20 days, which is 1 month, 1 trading month, 1 month, 20 trading days in 1 month. Taking a $10 to $1,000. If you're interested, you can drop it in the comment section or you reach out to this number of WhatsApp. Then we do it. It's a fight. Okay, currently receiving some messages. Guys, this is what we are going to do. This is what we are going to do now. YouTube has something that is called, we can actually co-host live stream on YouTube. We can co-host live stream on YouTube. We can co-host on YouTube, and we can also co-host on TikTok. I've not tried a Facebook, but we can co-host on these 2 platforms. So the person that want to do this challenge, I've received up to 4 different messages now from 4 different persons. Yeah. So I will take my time now to respond to those messages. Then, if truly you are a day trader, let's work out something. Now, like I said, you don't have anything to be afraid of. No be saying now something. No, it's not a big deal. Now something will be say you are a trader, I'm a trader. You understand? Let's just do something. You understand? Let's just work. Let's just challenge ourselves. I'm a price action trader. Let's just come online and trade live online. Let's see how it goes. You understand? If this is not for beginner, not be for beginner. I think it's possible in gold from $10 to 1,000. Yes, now gold now. It's going to be gold. We've been doing it. We've been doing $20 to 1,000. We've been doing it countless time. But for the purpose of this, let somebody say, make person no go say, you now don't master that $20 part, because on our $20 challenge, this is what we do basically. We have a percentage. We have already a spreadsheet that we work with on how many percent we have to make on a daily basis and how many percent we have to lose on a daily basis. So, but sometimes we exceed the percentage that we have to make on a daily basis, because in that 1 month, some days we are going to be making massive profit, some days we are going to be making little profit, then in some days we are going to be making losses. You understand? So in the days of massive profit, we make the massive profit, so that in days of losses, you can actually use that to recover and still be on good notes. You understand what I try to talk to? So if it be say the 20 is okay by you, you drop it. If it be say na the 10 dey okay, you drop it. If it be say na 100 dey okay, you drop am. Any amount wey dey okay, you drop am. But na gold now we wan trade, because gold now we fit do any challenge. We no fit use any other yeye pair, especially all those sluggish pair wey be say you go analyze finish, take the trade, the pair go just scatter everything for your eye. BTC go dey difficult. BTC sometimes e dey slow, e too dey slow. Just that there are times where BTC dey get that momentum, but no be all the time. But you see gold, even when gold doesn't have momentum, even in a consolidating market on gold, bro, you can still make what you want to make. If gold dey consolidate, gold where dey range, e go still give you block if you know how to train the ranging market. You get the point? If gold dey range, if you know how to train the ranging market, you go fit still use am make block. Push something. Push. You was commented that you are interested. You just send me a message for WhatsApp. Okay, let me answer this question and push in a way where you go fit understand me. The truth is that it's not as if I only trade gold or BTC. No. But it gets what you need to first of all understand as I will answer this question. So, as a day trader, we trade where we have opportunity according to your strategy. But for a couple of years now, we've been trading gold consistently. Why? Because we understand every move on gold. But there are some days, like last year, I think it was like twice. It be like 2 times all through 2025, where we trade USD JPY instead of trading gold for like a week or two. Why? Because there was a time where gold they do wetin we no come understand for office there now, we be there our trading floor and go start misbehaving. You will do analysis like this, the market will violate your analysis no matter how good or how professional you think the other analysis is. Gold will just scatter the analysis. So as at that point, it was somehow confusing to me personally. So I instructed all of our students to stop trading gold at that moment, and we started and we analyzed USD JPY, and we saw opportunity on USD JPY and we started trading USD JPY. Now if I come to BTC USD, I will do my top down analysis. If I understand what the pair is doing and I have opportunity, I will trade it. But if I open the pair and do their top down analysis and I don't have opportunity or I don't really understand what the pair is doing, I will just walk over to the next one. So what am I saying now? I don't have a preferred pair. I only have some criteria in executing trade. Understand? After I must have done my analysis, I have criteria that will give you the entry. Now yesterday I posted some stuff on my TikTok on my WhatsApp status. People were like, wow. Many people not see believe shall, but I actually started forex trading 2019 before the COVID-19, and this was the screenshot of one of this Samsung that I'm using to do this live now. I never knew that all of those videos, all of those pictures of years were piling up in my Android cloud, something like that. So yesterday, Android just pop out those memories. Then I started scrolling through the pictures of how where we started forex. When you see those pictures, you go laugh. Oh. I would love to show you guys those pictures. I will post them. I will post them again. I will post them this night so that I will see those pictures. And though I did not download them, rather I just screenshot them so that the date, you will still see the date there, the day that I snapped the picture. You understand? Many of them you see that it's 2020, 2019, 2021. You understand? But does that mean that we'll be making money since then for where that time I will never forget. There was one lady, one choir member. Then I was living at Aja, Ibejuleki to be precise, not Ajao, Gongogo, no be Ajao, Ibejuleki, long. So I was living in one area called Ogufayo in Ibejuleki. So in my church, the church that I was attending there is one lady. We were together in the choir unit. So the lady was working with GT Bank. So then when I started forex, due to choir boy now, they do forex stuff and it just they do, you understand, and with the post screenshot that time. So I was a demo millionaire. I was studying demo based on say that they see the way they post the demo screenshot and they are seeing that I am making profit. The lady called me, one of our rehearsals, one Saturday rehearsals. He said that he has been watching my status and his boyfriend was actually scammed in this forex, but he believed that forex works for people who understand it. But because he has been watching, he has been following me closely since I started posting those screenshots, that he wants me to trade for her. Then he gave me $500,000, 500,000 naira. Kai, Baba, I no go ever forget this thing. The way the money take blow. That money no reach 3 days. I swear to God. And I told her that I will be giving her 20% every month. Just because I was so confident in the money that I was making as a demo trader, in a way that I thought the moment I have real cash, that is how I'm going to be making replicate the same profit. This lady was so blessed that she gave me 500k. Now gold blow that money. And do you know that I actually lost that money I was doing what is called WOFB. If anybody from Winners Chapter here knows what is WOFB. WOFB is one Bible school that Winners is Bible school, Word of Faith Bible Institute. So I was doing WOFB, which is the LCC class. It was the second day of that WOFB. It was the second or third day of my WOFB class that I blew the 500,000 naira. Baba, my Bible school scatter. My Bible teach everything just scatter from my head. Everything just spoil. Though God gave me a testimony that the lady no pressure me. She understand what happened because she said her boyfriend had been there, but her boyfriend was actually scammed by one company that came to Nigeria once at a time. The name of trading, then you invest. before you know they'll carry your money wrong. Understand? That's why I tell that we say that year 2020 during COVID-19. Hey, there's some experience where person no go fit forget. I just remember now. So guys, when you see person where they trade them go, don't give your money to Ramon. So I didn't join before. Okay, this person now that is chatting me from WhatsApp now, he said, okay, the person actually asked the question from from TikTok if he should join the trade. Then I told him that me, I've already closed the buy trade as at that time. If you are still here on TikTok, please drop a comment below. Let me explain something to you, or why I come up for the buy trade. Though I will still execute the buy, but I don't come up for that buy trade. I remember what I did do. Remember saying I'm scalping now. I do look at the account here. When I closed that buy trade, I took a sell trade here. No saying I'm scalping now, I'm scalping I do. But I still have a place where I told you that we are currently anticipating the market to pull back to. Now, if you open your 30 minutes, the reason why I scalp the market now, you can see that on this 30 minutes time frame, the previous candle closed as what is called hammer candle. Before now, here I say maybe we put our pending order. If you remember, is the person still here? Okay, I said we should put our pending order on this 30-minute structure. Say the market go pull back there before the continuation of the buy. Then later I said we should remove it because this is a trend. This is a clear trend. Many traders will be anticipating market to pull back to this structure before the continuation of the buy. But with this particular reversal pattern now, the market may want to come and test that same trend line that was broken. Then I carry us come this particular chart. Because you see, I can't open my 30 minutes time frame from here. Sorry for all of this because I was trying to do top-down analysis for better understanding. I make a call go more than monthly. See what I draw that time. I can't tell you, say, me, I'm currently anticipating the market to respect the 30 minutes market structure of pulling back to where the market was, where the market broke out from, which is here. Then you can see a market. You feel still remember now. So now I come off for the buy, come off for my buy from around here. Then when the market reach here, I take the step because I dey scalp. I enter sell because I am scalping. That is not a day trade. That is a scalping trade. This particular account, I use that teach you na $1.90 $1.90 now the trade since. And it's actually going well. You see that say on 5 minutes the sell na better double top on 5 minutes. On 5 minutes the sell na better double top. Listen, better double top. So guys, if you are just joining us from YouTube or from your TikTok, or you are wondering what broker are we using to trade on weekend, you can click the link on my bio and create an account with this particular broker right here. You don't want to measure the name, but you will see this particular broker. Click the link on my bio, create an account. If you are finding it difficult to create, you can send me a direct message or WhatsApp. I will guide you on how to create an account and get it installed on your computer or your phone and start trading with us every weekend. So what you need to do, it is very, very simple now. The Africa awakening, it is very, very simple. Look at the 30 minutes time frame. Currently we have a bearish engulfing right here, and this bearish engulfing, and now they carry the market, they go down. So before now here we put our buy pending order, say make the market pull back. That means ADB will still leave them now. If I don't take them, you go see they go down. By now that means we for day losses. Then I said, now that time I never see this particular trend. I said no, you can't put it here again. You need to delete it and put it at where the market break out from the trend, because there is high probability that the market might pull back to where it broke out from the trend before the continuation of the buy again, which is something like this. Test here, then continue the buy. You understand? So if you want to execute any buy trade right now, put your pending order here. Let me use my own MT5 and show you what I'm saying. Here, you will see at the top of this resistance right here, put your cursor right there and right click and click on buy limit. Right click again, put another buy limit. According to your account size, you can know how many buy limits you want to put, that you will not be risky too much. You don't need to risk too much. And once the market already reach there, once I see any possibility of the market continuing buy, I can take my sell trade out. I can take my profit any fucking time. You know me say I go need to leave my profit, make it be like that. No. So now what I be try explain to them my student when I call for that class that time, that say sometimes you need to understand when to take available profit. See, this trading of 18, floating profit no mean anything, no. You take buy trade at the market they buy, you dey see say profit dey run. It no really mean anything. It no mean anything because in few seconds, everywhere fit still blow for your eye. Make the market spike, go hit your stop loss. Now the one where you don close, take, withdraw. You come see say OPay come send you that notification. When you receive in your OPay. If you never hear that voice from your OPay, no level. The money fit still go. It fit still fly away like a bird. So you must learn to always take available profit. Please, can you quote the pending order price? I cannot actually call out the numbers for community guidelines purposes. That is why I'm using the word structure. It's very, very simple. Click on your 30 minutes time frame first. Are you using a phone to trade? Let me first of all ask that question. Are you using phone to trade? Are you using phone? Now phone you dey use. Okay, if you are using your computer, just open your 30 minutes time frame. Look at 30 minutes right here. If you click on the 30 minutes, you will see this particular story. Okay, let me use MT5. If you open your 30, if you click on 30 minutes time frame, look at it. If you click on the 30 minutes time frame, now the chart now be this. Now the chart be this. What you need to do now here, this structure right here, just put your cursor for there. Just put your cursor like this. Right click. Once you right click, you go scroll go up. You go see this buy limit. Just click on the buy limit. You no need to call the numbers out. You understand what they try talk? Then if it be say you dey use phone, for the sake of those people that are using phone, maybe you dey expect say make I call the numbers. This is what you should do. If you are using a phone in this class right now and you want to join, you want to put that buy limit, do this thing that you will see me now. Open the chart. Once you open the chart, never don't look like. Once you open the chart, go to 30 minutes time frame. 30 minutes. This is the 30 minutes time frame. And here now they talk about, so you see we already have some pending orders there, right? So we see this thing will be like wall clock. This thing that looks like wall clock at the top here. Click on the wall clock. Once you click and you go bring out this blue line. Just put the blue line for that place where you want to put the pending order. And in this case, now this place here, this structure for 30 minutes. Once you put on, you click on the arrow here. Buy limit. Okpari, you don't enter with that. So you fit put your stop loss, you fit put your take profit. Few seconds. Guys, give me a few seconds, Jerry. Let I don't show their talent. Their will. Guys, are we still together? Guys, we did together. Sorry for that. Nah, NEPA will take light. Wait, let me connect this microphone so that we can fit here. So the people on YouTube, I believe you guys can still hear me. Guys, we have 53 amazing people watching us live on YouTube. Please click on the like button, guys. Hey, Joe. Help me click on the like button. Please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also click on the bell icon. So whenever we go live to trade, live like this, you can always be notified to join us. What is that sound? Me, I can't hear the sound, but let me try and use microphone. All right, the people on TikTok, can you guys hear me now? The sound, the noise is still there. Let me off this one. Can you guys hear me from TikTok? Okay, now, it gave a question when I see now. Somebody asked a question, he said, is Bitcoin bearish? That question deep, oh. But let's answer it. See, you get what I be explained before. That's how we go to monthly time frame. Make we not forget, monthly time frame actually now reverse a day there. Let me open another window. Guys, see, if you open your monthly time frame, if you open your monthly time frame, if you open your monthly chart on BTCUSD, market will be day uptrend. It break out from the trend line. It's trying to establish a clear reversal from uptrend to downtrend. You understand? So this particular buy where we dey buy for this monthly time frame now pullback we dey call am na pullback buy na be this for monthly because the monthly time frame actually gave us a clear bearish reversal pattern which is called double top. The market actually gave us a double top here. Then after the double top, the market also break out from the trend line. So the market is supposed to pull back to that same trend line where it break out from there, continue the same. That means if I'm answering that your question based on this time frame, BTC is bearish, but currently we are not selling it. So this is what I'm trying to say now. See, you might analyze this market to be bearish on the monthly time frame and still lose all of your capital if you go bearish now. Yes. So based on say we dey see bearish reversal pattern on the monthly time frame, no mean say make we jump enter the sell. Then now let's take it down to where I for take this my sell trade here. You can't see me for my MT5. You can't see I dey sell from here. But make sure say you also know the kind of sell when I take from here. Say na pull back to where we want for take the buy. And before I take the sell, if you join this live on time, you will see say I be the buy. Now the market break a particular resistance. According to market structure, I'm anticipating the market to pull back before the continuation of the buy again. Then I close my buy trade in profit. I executed the sell trade because I'm anticipating a pullback. And now the market is currently doing it, and we're also in profit again, and it's currently approaching where we want to take another buy. So according to that question when you ask if BTC USD is going bearish, So that make you for understand that in detail, because if you see say I dey sell now because of the seven I dey sell, you call the tick say na so the sell wan continue, you come go sell, you are on your own. No make that mistake. So please, if you are selling BTCUSD, make sure you understand in details technically why you are selling. And if you are buying, make sure you understand technically in details why you are buying it. It will always help you in the long run. You know as it go take help you? It go help you in a way where we say, if the market decide to go against or to do against what you analyze, you go understand what the market go do next. And you go fit use that still make money instead of trading with emotion as at that time. Because the major mistake wey we dey make most of the time, especially beginner traders, na we feeling like the market is not supposed to go against us. Yes, now when you start to dey feel say the market must do wetin you analyze, na the biggest mistake that you can ever make as a day trader na im be that. For instance, you executed a sell trade. Instead of you to quickly have, instead of you to look at understanding of what is causing the buy and where the market will buy to at that point, you will not want to accept the losses. You will still be opening more sell position, thinking that the market will align itself to your sell trade. You will not know whether you understand what I dey try talk. So the best thing na to know why you dey do anything wey you dey do at any time. Anytime wey you buy trade, answer this question: why you dey buy and where you dey buy to. Anytime you open sell trade, bro, why are you selling and where you dey sell to? So that if the market start to dey do the opposite, you go know whether e violate wetin fit make you answer the previous trade or e never violate am. For instance, you guys go always dey familiar with this word. In every trade wey we dey, we always have our escape route. What do we mean by escape route? You know, many people always use stop loss. They will say the stop loss is our rate management. No. If you want to use stop loss according to market structure, so that that particular place will also serve as your escape route in a way that the moment you see price above that region or below that region, it has violated your previous technical analysis, confirming that the market will continue in that direction where the market is moving towards. So you go feel always align yourself and start doing what the market is doing. Because see, the truth of the matter is at the end of the day, na person wey follow market go where they go, na they make profit. No be person where they trade against the market, they hope say the market go soon do wetin they do. That kind of person they blow account consistently every day. If you like, go sell your land. Go sell your land for village, sell your land for VI. Pack the money, put am for this forex. If you go dey buy and the market dey sell, wetin go first do you? E go first be like say village people don put mirror for ground again. Say they don dey watch you. You go call the reason. Abi na anytime when I put money for this market, na the market anytime when I dey sell, the market go dey buy. Abi village people just dey monitor. They just dey monitor every of my move of making money. Baba, na lie. Na you dey do wetin you no suppose do. Sometimes learn to accept losses on time. If you see say the market don dey go against you, try to understand wetin dey happen, wetin dey cause that particular move. And if according to your analysis, if you see say e get strength to continue in that direction, and according to your account size, you no go fit withstand am, take that loss. Follow wetin the cannot talk too much. I pray God will help us, all of us. No dey easy o. Make una no think say forex dey easy o. No dey easy o. Now, somebody said, what is your next entry?